probably want to shoot it from up there, Dan. No, you want to be more a little bit. I don't know if you're saying that for him to quit or to go harder. Yeah, is that teasing or motivating? Is it good advice or is it good advice?
I don't know, but I'm starting to smell burning rubber or something now.
Are you, when you get right at the top, turn into it.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, that's against all feelings inside there. But that's what you got to do.
It's not your daily driver, you said.
Not anymore.
Speechless.
Did he make that decision after coming here, or was it
before? There's no discussion here, so.
There you go.
Yeah. Block out all the
You
noise.
did it exactly the same thing in exactly the same spot yesterday.
Did you make it?
Nope. Didn't do it yesterday
I don't think it's going to happen.
Where the passenger car is recommended walking outside. Yeah. Clean before I can go back and forth. Oh, man, I've done some good body work. Remember I said that? Yeah. It's on the plate. So they'll need to no, I understand.
I think it's belt skipping. Okay.
Putting so much pressure on it.